Welcome to English Stories. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beautiful English stories. My name is Faith. I was 16 years old when I met Tom. He was new in my school. He had brown hair and blue eyes. He was very kind and also very handsome. I liked him from the first day I saw him. One day, I saw Tom sitting alone. I walked up to him and said, "Hi, my name is Faith. Can I sit with you?" He smiled and said, "Yes, of course." We talked a lot that day, and we became friends. After that, Tom and I started spending a lot of time together. We walked home from school, did homework together, and talked about our dreams. We laughed a lot. I always felt happy when I was with him. One day, Tom asked me to go to the movies with him. I was so excited and said yes. We watched a funny movie, ate popcorn, and laughed together. After the movie, we walked in the park. He held my hand, and my heart beat fast. I felt very happy. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking about Tom. I liked him so much, but I was scared to tell him. I didn't know if he felt the same way. A few weeks later, we were sitting by the lake on a sunny day. Birds were singing. Tom looked at me and said, "Faith, I need to tell you something." I felt nervous. My hands were shaking. He took a deep breath and said, "I like you, Faith. I like you a lot." I smiled and said, "I like you too, Tom." We both laughed and felt very happy. That day, Tom became my boyfriend. Tom and I were very happy together. We did everything together, going to the park, watching movies, doing homework, and talking about our future. He made me laugh. He always listened to me and helped me. He made me feel special. I loved him so much. One day, Tom and I had a small fight. I don't even remember what it was about. We were both angry and said things we didn't mean. I cried a lot. Later, Tom came to me and said, "I'm sorry, Faith. I didn't mean to hurt you." I said, "I'm sorry too, Tom." We hugged and promised to always talk and not fight again. We had many happy times together. We went on picnics, visited the beach, and watched the stars at night. On my birthday, Tom gave me a necklace with a heart-shaped locket. Inside was a picture of us. He said, "This is to remind you that I will always love you." I cried happy tears. I loved Tom deeply, but one day, Tom told me he had to move. His dad got a new job in another city. I was very sad and cried a lot. Tom held me and said, "I will always love you, Faith. We will keep in touch and see each other again." We spent our last days together going to our favorite places, laughing, talking, and crying. On the day he left, I gave him a photo of us and said, "This will remind you that I will always love you too." Tom and I wrote letters and called each other. We shared our days and our dreams. But being apart was hard. I missed his smile, his laugh, and everything about him. We promised to stay strong and wait for each other. As time passed, we got busier. The letters came less often. The phone calls became shorter. I made new friends, and so did Tom. We still loved each other, but things changed. One day, Tom called and said, "Faith, we need to talk." My heart sank. I knew what was coming. He said, "I love you, but we are growing apart. I think we should let go." That night, I cried a lot. My heart was broken. But I knew he was right. We had to move on. It was hard at first. I missed him every day. But I focused on my studies and spent time with friends. I did things that made me happy. I kept the necklace and letters he gave me. They reminded me of our love and happy times. Years passed. I went to college, made new friends, and met new people. I even fell in love again. But I never forgot Tom. He was my first love. He will always have a special place in my heart. One day, I got a letter from Tom. It said, "Dear Faith, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to thank you for the wonderful times we shared. You will always be my first love. I will always cherish our memories. Take care, love, Tom." I smiled when I read the letter. I was happy to hear from him. I was happy to know he still remembered our love. Even though we were no longer together, he would always be a part of me. Our love was special. It was pure. It was my first love. I learned a lot from my time with Tom. I learned what it means to love and to be loved. I learned that love is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Tom will always be in my heart. I will always remember our happy times and the love we shared. My first love will always be a beautiful memory. Life goes on. We meet new people. We have new experiences. But our first love always stays with us. It shapes us. It teaches us. It helps us grow. I am grateful for my first love. I am grateful for Tom. He made me happy. He made me laugh. He made me feel special. From my first love, I learned many things. I learned to be kind. I learned to be patient. I learned to be strong. I learned to love with all my heart. Love is a beautiful thing. It makes us happy. It makes us cry. It makes us feel alive. Years later, I met someone new. His name is James. He is kind and caring. He makes me laugh. I love him very much. James knows about Tom. He knows about my first love. He is not jealous. He understands that Tom will always have a special place in my heart. My heart has grown. It has made room for new love for James. But it has never forgotten my first love. Love grows. It changes. It makes us better. Now, I am happy again. I have found new love and new joy. But I will always remember my first love. I will always remember Tom. He will always be a part of me. Our love will always be a beautiful memory.